Good evening guys and welcome back to the channel. We're going to be looking this evening at BitMine Immersion stock. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions going into this next week. If you do enjoy these videos, I must say, please do leave a like, please do subscribe. You guys already know I try and make as many videos for you as I can every single day. If you want to show some appreciation to that, please just subscribe to the channel. Do remember though, I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you're doing your own research. And now that I've said that, let's jump straight into the video. Well, a few things standing out over the last week, and we need to zoom in on this for a bit of context. Over the past 5 days, we are seeing the stock ultimately down by 7.86%. You can see this red trend over here. Now, over the past month, this stock is also down by 18.67%. And if you zoom out over the past 6 months now, you get to a point where things are looking interesting. We're still up by over 600%, and people need to just not forget that, right? Because this is important context to where we are right now. But with all of this, the question is, where do we go? What are we looking for next? And what could be some of the key levels going into this week? Well, for this, we're going to need to come over to the chart and have a look in a bit more detail. The good news is, if you zoom back a little bit, we are coming close to some very key potential levels of support. Let's zoom right in on this to make this very clear. Okay, so levels that I'm talking about are numbers such as 48.50, 48.45, numbers all the way down as well to 47.30, 47.35. Now, so far on Friday's trading session, maybe Thursday I should say, I think it was Friday, we saw the stock bottom out around this range. We haven't dropped below this, and this is something to watch out for, because when we draw the line back, even going up to August, right, you can clearly see this has been a range where we have found supports in the past. This is a level to watch out for next week. This is a level to watch out for over the next couple of days. We want to see the stock hold above this key range. This does matter. If we begin to drop below that, in my opinion, things do become a lot more negative. We could be seeing prices significantly lower, prices around the $45 range. You could be seeing prices potentially up to the 43s, maybe even down to the $40 range. And of course, that in itself would be a significant decline. If we begin to see moves upwards, we do have a few levels of resistance to watch out for. The level that we're already struggling to break above seems to be somewhere between 50.70 and also 51.15. You can see that recently on the Friday trading day, and you can also see this going back quite a few times over the 20th to about the 26th of August. So this is going to be the first level. It's not far off, and we're going to want to see this break by the end of next week, most ideally. You could be looking then to levels such as 50 to 40. You could be looking past that to levels all the way up at 53.80, maybe up at 54, 54.50, $55 from there. Now, I'm not really necessarily wanting a major rise this week. That would be ideal. But really, it's a week of very focused and very simple objectives. I want to see this one begin to break out of some of these key levels. I want to see this one begin to consolidate above those lows that we've seen. And I want to see some price stability coming in, giving me that consolidation, giving me that small price increase perhaps, and showing me that this could be a point where the stock does begin to move upwards again. If we begin to drop, as I say, below this range, I do become quite concerned. So again, that is a range that I have on my radar. As always, guys, do let me know your thoughts down below. This is just my personal set of opinions, so of course you may agree, you may disagree. I'd love to hear it in the comments. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.